Now for tutorial question 3a, we now have a modulus on one side of the inequality. So to do this, again we have a few methods. Okay, the first method is to actually draw the graph. Okay, so the graphs we should sketch are y equals to modulus of x minus 2 and y equals to 2x plus 1. Okay, so the graph should appear something like this. So the straight line graph, of course, would correspond to y equals 2x plus 1, whereas the v-shaped graph would be y equals to modulus of x minus 2. Okay, so what we should get is, for the final conclusion, we now want to look at the graph at the intervals of value of x, for which the graph of y equals 2x plus 1 is above the graph of y equals to modulus of x minus 2, and that will correspond to everything that is here to the right of the point of intersection. Okay, so of course now we have to solve for the point of intersection. Okay, you can do this by using your GC. So by using the GC, okay, point of intersection of y equals to 2x plus 1 and y equals to modulus of x minus 2, okay, actually occurs at x equals to 1/3. So therefore the final conclusion is x is strictly greater than 1/3, okay, because our question is asking for a strict inequality, less than, strictly less than. Okay, so now for method 2, to solve this inequality using an analytical method, this is slightly trickier because we have a modulus to look at. Now remember that a result in your notes is if a number modulus A is strictly smaller than a number B, okay, this is equivalent to saying that A has to be between negative B and B. Okay, so likewise, since the inequality now is x minus 2, the modulus of x minus 2 is smaller than 2x plus 1. This is equivalent to the negative of 2x plus 1 is smaller than x minus 2 smaller than 2x plus 1. Okay, so in other words, we have to solve for a pair of simultaneous inequality. Alright, so we have minus 2x minus 1 is smaller than x minus 2 and x minus 2 is smaller than 2x plus 1. So the first one will actually give us 3x is greater than 1. Okay, in other words, x greater than 1/3. Whereas, and the second one would be x is greater than negative 1. Okay, so we can write accordingly. Okay, so since it's an and, we take intersection. Okay, so draw out the number line. Okay, so taking intersection, you should easily see that the final answer is just x is greater than 1/3.